super. And one more. Again, do you trust the vaccine made by India for COVID-19?
So. Yes, in fact, our parents, our friends.
Starting out at night, you feel safe. And what about the COVID vaccine? Do you trust the COVID vaccine?
Yeah, I've just taken it today.
Really?
I mean yesterday. So
You okay? Are the best.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And do you trust the vaccine that is made by India? Made in India vaccine? You trust? You trust?
नमस्कार बेंगलुरु। तो आज के एपिसोड में हम आपको लेके जाने वाले हैं बेंगलुरु के कई प्रमुख शॉपिंग मॉल्स और पब्लिक प्लेसेस, और जहां हम लोगों से ये पूछने वाले हैं क्या वो इंडिया का बनाया हुआ वैक्सीन को ट्रस्ट करते हैं, एंड मैनी मोर, जैसे कि नॉर्मल लाइफ, शॉपिंग एज वेल एज नाइट लाइफ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड। आई होप यू एंजॉय।
गुड इवनिंग दोस्तों। तो बैंगलोर में मुझे काफ़ी टाइम तो मिला नहीं एक्चुअली, क्योंकि 2 दिन कुर्ग में चले गए, और इनफैक्ट आज मैं आया हूँ दिन में काफ़ी बहुत ज़्यादा धूप होता है, तो हमने आज डिसाइड किया कि इवनिंग को आऊँगा। और ये एक्चुअली कह सकते हो कि पहला विजिट है जहाँ पर मैं लोकल से बात करने वाला हूँ। सो आई एम इन इनॉर्बिट मॉल, जो कि वाइटफील्ड एरिया में है। एक तरफ सत्य साई हॉस्पिटल है, और यहाँ से नज़दीकी में कम से कम 2 और मॉल है। एक शांति निकेतन मॉल है, और फिनिक्स सिटी मार्ट भी आगे है। तो माय आइडिया, आज का जो आइडिया है, टू डू सम क्विक फूड टूर एंड आस्क सम लोकल्स अबाउट द न्यू phase of COVID, whether it is happening, how they feel safe. Everything will be there in this episode, so don't forget. Me joining a local and I'm going to ask her, और मुझे उनसे ये जानना है कि क्या कोविड से उनको डर है, या कोविड के वजह से लाइफ रुका हुआ है, लाइफ चल रहा है, क्या वो शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं। एंड जस्ट गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू हर।
Hi, myself Amrita. I'm basically from Calcutta. However, living in Bangalore for last 2 years now. So after COVID, life is really different with new normal. Though I have started traveling, like I traveled back from Calcutta in October, and I'm little scared because of my parents, because I live with old parents, and yeah, on and off now I visit public places, and sometimes maybe
So you do
once
indoor parties?
Yes, maybe once a month, not much like before, but yes, we are socializing little bit because life goes on and we need to. Yesterday also I've seen Maharashtra is somewhere around 15,000 a day.
Okay.
And Kerala also. Karnataka is not that much, what I presume. As per my understanding, not very sure about the fact what because I refer Arogya Setu mostly.
Okay, so when you refer to Arogya Setu, so you said Arogya Setu is also one of the
yeah, that's what I can refer to, because news channels, yes, it's not yeah, they do telecast, but not always. And these days I am mostly on mobile phones, and at times I miss out on it. So maybe once or twice I check it on Arogya Setu only.
And what kind of precautions you take?
Mask and sanitizer.
That's it.
Yeah, for my parents I'm planning to go for vaccination as well. All of them are 60 up. I'm married. I live with my mom-in-law here. Parents are back in Calcutta.
I see. Okay. Yeah, it was nice talking to you. Thanks for all the information and thanks for sharing your perspective regarding
Thank you
COVID.
so much.
So I hope everything goes well, and I wish you a safety and enjoy your. Yeah. So you were saying अब तक क्या है? So you are also comfortable in Hindi?
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
Wow, awesome. My channel is in Hindi, so it's better that you speak in Hindi.
अच्छा.
Okay. तो अब तक क्या है और अब क्या है? अब कैसा लग रहा है मतलब?
To be honest, अभी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है that they are taking quite good measures in Bangalore at least, and I think it is safe enough to travel. That's what I feel.
Okay.
Because अभी इतना टाइम 1 साल हो गया बाहर जाके, and also sometimes while you're taking precautions, I think it is safe enough to go outside. Let's go first.
So आज मैं हूँ एक्चुअली एक बहुत ही मशहूर मॉल है VR मॉल, जिसे आप देख रहे हैं इसके पीछे लिखा हुआ है आई लव बैंगलोर। एंड आई मेट समवन जो कि एक प्रोफेशनल है, मध्य प्रदेश की रहने वाली ओरिजिनली, बढ़िया नाउ शी इज़ इन बैंगलोर। तो आज हम उनसे ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि वेदर शी इज़ फीलिंग सेफ ट्रैवलिंग, शॉपिंग, पार्टिंग इन जनरल। सो लेट्स आस्क हर। हाय, आपका नाम, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
हाय, मेरा नाम सौम्या दीक्षित है। मैं बेसिकली मध्य प्रदेश से हूँ। सतना इज़ माई होम टाउन।
ओके।
एंड मैं बैंगलोर में करीब 4 साल से हूँ, पिछले 4 साल से।
ओके।
और मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी लाइक कोरोना वायरस को जिस तरह से बैंगलोर में हैंडल किया है वो क्वाइट कमेंडेबल है, काफ़ी काबिल तारीफ है। बिकॉज मुझे याद है कि जब से सिर्फ वो लॉकडाउन का फेज जो था, उसके बाद से ईयर नाउ मैं जाती ही रहती हूँ, आइदर फ्रेंड्स के साथ गेट टुगेदर है या फिर मॉल में कुछ शॉपिंग करना है। बट
या तो आपने सो यू सेड कि बैंगलोर में काफ़ी कमेंडेबल रहा है, यू नो?
काफ़ी बोल सकते हैं। मतलब मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी कि अदर देन लॉकडाउन में पूरे टाइम घर पे थी। मैं घूमती थी, मैं मॉल्स आती थी, मैं शॉपिंग के लिए जाती थी, खाने पीने रेस्टोरेंट्स के लिए जाती थी। बट ऐसा इफ़ यू टेक प्रॉपर प्रिकॉशन यू कैन ईजिली गो आउट। मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपको कोविड से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो सकते हो वैसे। तो आई फील प्रीटी सेफ गोइंग आउट।
तो आप पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में ट्रैवल करती हो या आपकी अपने
मैं कैब, मोस्टली कैब, ऑटो, इसी सब में ही ट्रैवल।
तो क्या आप अपने आप को सुरक्षित महसूस करती हो?
हाँ, इनिशियली स्प्रे जो आते थे वो यूज़ किए, बट अभी तो उतना जैसे कि सिचुएशन नॉर्मल हो रहा है तो उतना हम भी कॉशियस नहीं रह गए। बट आई स्टिल यूज सैनिटाइजर एंड ऑल। मास्क इज ऑल द टाइम, पूरा टाइम मास्क में है ना।
क्या अभी कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि कोविड है या एक र्यूमर है और ये बस एक कुछ कंट्री है जो अपना चला रहे हैं इसको?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट स्टार्टिंग में बहुत ऐसा लगा बिकॉज इट्स इनविजिबल, तुम्हें पता भी नहीं है कहाँ है करके। तो स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा लगा, बट after it got serious and real, like in real time, so I think it is very much real.
मुझे क्या आपने ट्रैवलिंग स्टार्ट किया है?
हाँ, मैं तो I think अप्रैल के बाद से नियर बाय लाइक चिकमगलूर, then ऊटी, then केगुडी, if you have heard VR Hills.
Wow, nice. So are you like you travel? Are you a solo traveler?
No, I travel with my friends group.
You travel with your friends. That's awesome. So क्या आपको लगता है कि जहाँ जहाँ ट्रैवलिंग की हो वहाँ पे होटल्स, टैक्सी, ये सब एडिक्वेट मेजर्स लेते हैं कोविड को कंट्रोल करने के लिए या फिर?
मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस यस, लाइक आप चिकमगलूर ताज जाओगे तो उनका स्टैंडर्ड्स आर डिफरेंट।
या
डिपेंड्स कि आप कहाँ रुक रहे हो।
राइट। तो सौम्या जी, आप बैंगलोर में रहती हो, सो बैंगलोर के टॉप 3 जगह जो आप हमारे दर्शक को, व्यूअर्स को सजेस्ट करना चाहती हो, व्हाट विल बी द टॉप 3 लोकेशंस? अगर कोई 3 दिन के लिए आता है?
3 दिन के लिए आते हैं और आपको बहुत ही हैपनिंग पार्टी वाला प्लेस जाना है, नाइट लाइफ देखना है, तो देयर इज अ प्लेस कॉल्ड वेपर इन इंदिरा नगर।
ओके,
यू कैन विजिट दैट। और शॉपिंग के लिए आना है कि आपको सब सारी ब्रांड्स और मोस्ट ऑफ द ब्रांड्स विच यू आर लुकिंग फॉर आपको एक ही जगह मिल जाए। यू कैन कम टू फीनिक्स एंड नेक्स्ट टू दैट PR मॉल जहाँ अभी हम खड़े हैं। तो इधर 2 मॉल में आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा। और अगर
या बोलिए बोलिए।
स्ट्रीट फूड के
हाँ।
बहुत ज़्यादा आप शौकीन है, तो मैं कभी गई नहीं हूँ, बट मैंने सुना है कि यहाँ पे खाओ गली करके है, चिकपेट एरिया या किससे
काफी। तो आपको साउथ इंडियन क्यूजिन पसंद है?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
यू लाइक इट राइट? ग्रेट। एंड इज देयर एनीथिंग हेरिटेज प्रॉपर्टी कोई है जो आप सजेस्ट करना चाहती हो?
ऐसे तो मैं अभी गई नहीं।
ऐसा कोई हेरिटेज प्रॉपर्टी है ये कर दो सी मोस्टली? ओके, आई गॉट इट। सो फाइन फाइन, थैंक यू सो मच। आई थिंक
now.
That's great. That's
Yeah,
great. So do you feel safe now that you, as you are doing shopping and traveling? So have you started traveling or this is just shopping?
Yeah, we have started traveling. We traveled to Kunur once,
Okay.
and yeah, we are traveling nowadays.
And do you think this malls administration and they're doing a good job in terms of keeping COVID safety? Like they write that your safety and this hygiene are important.
To be honest, I don't feel that much. But yes, we have our own protection, right? We usually wear masks and sanitizers. We sanitize our hands wherever we go. And as long as we maintain our own hygiene, I don't think so. I'm not sure how much they can maintain it for us. Yeah, but they're doing quite a good job, not a great job maybe.
Great. And so did
Cycle, people have them.
Okay.
That's fine.
And do you think this mall is good enough for you know, doing shopping? Do you feel they are maintaining safety measures?
Yes, they are maintaining, but I don't think that is sufficient enough.
Oh really? Okay. And how do you commute? You commute by public transport or you have your own vehicle?
We transport in commute in public transport. There are public measures. They are following the measures I see, but eventually what I feel is as they are promising that they are following certain measures, they are charging unnecessary and
Unnecessary
places.
charges.
They are misusing this thing also sometimes, I believe. Advantage of this.
And do you believe there's something called COVID exists or it's just like, you know,
Yes, I do.
it exists, right?
It exists. It
Okay.
Here we suffered. How can we?
People around, not very close, but people in my second circle, I can say, like little far off, have suffered, and some people have passed away also. So I believe that there is COVID.
And do you think India has a risk of second wave or the second wave are the same? And ma'am, what do you think? Are you feeling safe when you travel by Ola, Uber, or you have your own transport?
No, I came by Uber today. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm feeling safe.
You're feeling safe?
Yeah,
Do you think
because,
this?
they wear a mask and it's quite, and I don't sit beside them, I sit behind them, so I feel it's quite safe.
And do you think they
I
are?
assume so.
And do you think they are maintaining the hygiene, the sanitization, and all?
They say so, that the car is being vaccinated before we get into the car, and we have to trust, right? We have no other choice.
Great,
Yeah.
great, awesome. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you a lovely evening.
Yeah, I wish everybody gets vaccinated. It's good to get vaccinated.
Vaccination, okay.
As far as I have heard from people who got vaccinated earlier, maybe you cannot be completely free from COVID or safe from COVID.
Okay,
Maybe you can reduce the impact of it.
reduce the impact of
Like
it.
maybe you can be asymptomatic and still be fine with it. Such kind of things will be actually it's quite a good progress, at least for the state we were in.
Right, yeah, exactly. Amazing, yeah, India has produced its own vaccination. That's a great thing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you a lovely evening.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
I think it will, but as much as it's affected other countries, it might not affect here.
Like European countries,
Yeah,
it
it
will be
will not
less.
affect here. We've seen people doing very good. I mean, for us, I think we've been out every day. Yeah. I
Great.
think India is pretty much immune because of the lifestyle, because our ancestors in past, how we have lived, we have been more immune than other countries.
Great. And have you started traveling?
We travel every day almost.
You-
We travel every day around the city, but outside the station, very less.
Super. And one more question. This is something which is very trending. Do you trust the vaccine made by India for COVID-19?
So. Yes, we have, in fact, our parents, our friends, families, most of them have taken it. In fact, my cousin who's my age, who's less than we are 40.
So she's taken it because she has a little BP issue. So everybody's sick. My boss recently took it. I work for Harman International.
Wow.
So he just took it.
Harman International, yeah, I think she's the same company with JVM Germany,
Exactly.
right?
No,
Great.
US. But then, yeah, we do
Okay.
automation for BMWs and Mercedes.
Mercedes. Super. And do you believe, do you still worry about COVID-19, the new strain?
I don't think so. We actually have to be safer in our side. We have no problems. I mean, I'm not at all scared when I come out. But then, yeah, that little fear is there for my parents, not for us. Because we are taking care.
Many
people who are staying at home, we have to fear for that.
And are you happy with the measures by the government, the regulations made by the government?
So I think they've done a good job.
Good job.
And I think Bangalore might go down on another lockdown if we're not public gathering is too much.
Lockdown. Okay.
He's decided.
Great. Thank you so much for the time and. So friends, आज के लिए इतना ही. I hope you liked the episode. We bring you more and more exciting and trending topics, especially on traveling, shopping, going out every week. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You really like about how the Indian government has. People are not following the rules?
No, not exactly. About the fees and all, they are
Thank you so much for the time and wish you luck.